This is the periodic table. There are 118 elements within the periodic table, each with an atomic number and name.
The groups on the periodic table are organized by the number of valence electrons. The higher the element number, the farther away the electron is. This means that the reactions are similar, but the strengths of each reaction varies. The elements on the periodic table are arranged by atomic mass and number of electrons.
The elements highlighted in blue are semimetals. To the left are metals and to the right are nonmetals. "57 to 71 and 89 to 103 are all man-made metals."
German merchant Hein Bryan attempted to create a phosphorus stone, an object that could supposedly turn metals into pure gold. He heated residues from boiled urine and the liquid dropped out, bursting into flames. This was the discovery of phosphorus.
In 1809, at least 47 elements were discovered, and scientists began to see patterns in their characteristics.
In 1863, English chemist John Newlands divided the then discovered 56 elements into 11 groups based on characteristics.
In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev started the development of the periodic table, arranging chemical elements by atomic mass. He predicted the discovery of other elements and left spaces open in his periodic table for them.
In 1886, French physicist Antoine Becquerel first discovered radioactivity. Thomson, a student from New Zealand, Ernest Rutherford, named the types of radiation, alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Marie and Curie started working on the radiation of uranium and thorium.
In 1894, Sir William Ramsay and Lord Rayleigh discovered the noble gases, which were added to the periodic table as group 0.
In 1897, English physicist J.J. Thomson first discovered electrons, small negatively charged particles in an atom. Thomson also determined their exact charge and mass.
In 1900, Becquerel discovered that electrons and beta particles, as identified by the Curies, are the same thing.
In 1903, Rutherford announced that radioactivity is caused by the breakdown of atoms.
In 1911, Rutherford and German physicist Hans Geyer discovered that electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom. In 1914, Rutherford first identified protons in the atomic nucleus. He also transmutated a nitrogen atom into an oxygen atom for the first time. English physicist Henry Moseley provided atomic numbers based on the number of electrons in an atom rather than based on the atomic mass. When an electron is negative and a proton is positive and a neutron is neutral. Because of the electronegativity, it causes atoms to bond with each other, becoming a molecule. When the atom bonds, doing something with its electrons, it throws off the balance of the atom because it originally was balanced with equal numbers of protons and electrons.